In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form using Form Wizard in Microsoft Access. By the end, you'll have a polished, usable form built from your existing data without needing to design it from scratch. This approach is perfect when you want something quick, consistent, and easy for others to use. Start by opening Microsoft Access, then open the database you want to work with. Before moving on, make sure any open tables, queries, or forms are closed so the wizard has a clean slate to work from and the interface stays uncluttered. You'll still see all your objects in the navigation pane on the left. They just don't need to be open. Go to the Create tab at the top of the window. In the Forms group, click Form Wizard. The wizard walks you through a few choices that determine how your form looks and what it captures so you can focus on content, not layout details. In the dialog box, first choose the data source. Use the Table/Queries dropdown to pick the table or query the form will be based on. Choose a table if you want every field and record available, or choose a query if you've already filtered, sorted, or joined data the way you want it to appear in the form. This choice controls what your form can display and edit. Next, select the fields you want to include. In available fields, highlight the fields you need for data entry or review. Keep the form focused. Fewer fields usually mean faster, cleaner input. Use the single right arrow to move selected fields into selected fields, or the double right arrow to move everything at once. You can adjust your selection until it looks right, then continue. Click. Next, to move on to layout options, you'll see layout styles like columnar, tabular, datasheet, or justified, along with a live preview. Columnar is great for entering one record at a time with clear labels, while tabular or datasheet present multiple records in rows for quick scanning. Pick the layout that matches how the form will be used, then click Next. Enter a clear, descriptive title for your form so it's easy to find in the database later. Now decide how to open it. Choose Form View if you want to start entering data immediately, or Design View if you plan to tweak labels, spacing, or control properties first. When you're ready, click Finish. Acces creates your form and opens it as you selected, and you'll also find it saved under Forms in the navigation pane. That's all it takes to build a professional form with the Form Wizard in Microsoft Access.